Hi everyone, I've got the Sigma 24mm art lens for my Sony a7 III, and in this video we are going to unbox it and have a first look to it. But before I start the unboxing, I want to say that this is my first video in English, so excuse me if I'm not as good as a native speaker. And to briefly introduce myself, my name is Mehran and I am a portrait photographer. You can check my Instagram page to see more of my work. Well, no more talking, let's start the unboxing. So here we have the Sigma 24mm art series for the Sony E Mount. I already unboxed it once, so this is the second time we are going to unbox it. So let's begin. Sigma's limited warranty. And then we see an instruction manual for the Sigma lens. And then we see a warranty sticker. And the lens itself comes in a beautiful bag. I put aside these because my table is so small, so sorry for that. Let's unzip the bag. And here is the Sigma 24mm lens. And also there's a lens hood in the bag. So here is the Sigma Art 24mm for the Sony E Mount. Let me show you the front glass of the lens. This is the front glass of the lens. I put a UV filter on this. This is the Nisi UV filter. They are very good quality UV filters. They are a little bit expensive, but they have a very good quality. Be sure to always buy a good quality UV filter for your lens, because a bad quality filter will ruin your photos. The back of the lens, this is the mount of the lens. It has a rubber around it, so it must be somehow weather sealed. Here is the focus switch. You can switch between autofocus and manual focus. And here is the focus ring of the lens. It is a mechanical ring, unlike the Sony lenses which have a focus by wire system. And it is very smooth. The lens hood also has a very good quality and you can use it with your Sigma 24mm. The lens looks more professional with the lens hood. Overall, the build quality of this lens is very good and it's solid. The only negative thing I can say about this lens is that it's a little bit heavy. For a 24mm lens, it should be a lot more lighter, but the Sigma lenses tend to be a little bit more heavy because of the glass and the build quality of the body. They are a little bit heavier compared to the Sony E Mount lenses. So I have changed the lens to the Sigma 24mm and you are watching me now with the Sigma 24. And this lens looks so much wider compared to my Sony FE85 that was on the camera before switching to this lens. And I had to bring the camera so much closer to me. For the quality comparison with my Sony FE85, I will put these videos side by side so you can see the difference in the quality and even the viewing angle. Well, I think it's enough for this video. In future videos, I will try to test the autofocus system and take some footage with this lens to see how it performs. So stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am just starting to produce videos in English and I will try to become better and better. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.